This is number 5 off the Unit 2 pretest. Be sure you use a calculator if you can't get these right by hand. I'm going to add 1/2 to both sides, inverse. If I'm on a calculator, it's really easy to add 1/10 and 1/2. But if I'm not, I've got to think in the terms of common denominators. So I've got 1/10 and 5/10. 1/10 plus 5/10 is 6/10. And by the way, if you do get a fraction on your calculator that's not simplified, just hit the enter key again. It's going to take and divide out any common factors like this. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I've got 3/5, letter B. On to number 6, I've got n plus, so I do the inverse. I subtract 7.8 from both sides. Again, very simple if you've got a calculator. And likewise, not very hard if you don't have a calculator. 7.4 minus 7.8 is going to be 0 minus 0.4 more, and that's going to be a negative 0.4. That's letter A. On to 7. These problems are really just a review of chapter 1. I'm going to multiply by -3 because x divided by -3. So I go times -3 on both sides. Inverse, balance, cancel, rewrite. X is 30 plus 24, that's 54. But it's negative because I've got one negative, so that's letter B. Finally, looking at number 8. And I'll be honest, I don't have a calculator sitting right here, and I wish I did because I'm not looking forward to dividing 304 by 38. So I'm going to use a little bit of process here. Oops, it's supposed to be a 38 negative. First off, when I've got two negatives, I know that's going to give me a positive answer. So I know that letter A and letter B are out. Now, if I think about 30 times 10, 30 times 10 would be 300. So 30 times 13 would be bigger than 300. As a matter of fact, quite a bit bigger than 300. So I think that 13 is out. I think for sure it's letter D, positive 8. So I'll write A is 8. Be sure to check that on your calculator. I think you'll find out it's true.